Hey everyone, it's Andrew with the Curbside Podcast here again for another quarantine video. Got some parts in the mail, waiting for these for about a week or so now. Let's check it out. So today we'll be installing window visors on the Evo X. These are OEM window visors from Mitsubishi. Ordered them off of Amazon. They're about like $85. But pretty good for a factory product. Checked fitment on this one. Rear one, and so far it seems pretty good, so it's always a good idea to go OEM if you can. So anyways, this should be a pretty quick install. It does come with brackets to mount into the window, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and skip on those because I don't want to tear out the weather stripping. I'm gonna see how good the quality on the adhesive is that's pre-mounted on the visors, so hopefully that's strong enough. Should be a quick install. Let's get to doing it. First step is we're gonna want to wipe down the area where we will be installing the window visors, so it should be mounted somewhere in this white area. So we'll go ahead and wipe that down with a wet rag, make sure it's nice and dry, and get to fitting these on. Naturally, I went ahead and changed my mind. Got the hardware, the brackets from Mitsubishi, these little brackets, and these tiny little push pins. And I figured if I'm gonna do this, might as well do it right. I bought the OEM part, might as well do it right because I know it's gonna fit. So I've gone ahead and started to pull down on the weather stripping. That's the first step you wanna do. Used a bike tire removal tool and this little, I don't know what the hell this is. Used it, got behind this front edge underneath and just pulled down, and just like that, the weather stripping will come out. And you want to pull it out just enough that you can get to where you want to install those brackets. Ooh, cool. And if you do buy the OEM visors, they do come with instructions, so that should be helpful in installing this. The instructions say to avoid removing the corners, and we pulled it out a little bit, but I think we'll be all right. Removed from both front and rear windows. We'll start assembling the visors. Like I said, the OEM does come with brackets, so you just follow the instructions. There's little holes on the visors themselves, so you want to put your little bracket behind there. These brackets are actually designed to fit perfectly into the window frame, so you want to line that up and then put your push pins in, and then put your weather stripping back on. Brackets are mounted on, pins kind of finish out the exterior look of it, and now we can slide it in place. The brackets actually help kind of figure out where on the window it goes. It also explains in there, so should be a super simple install. Once these brackets, or once the visor's mounted, we can go ahead, pull off this double-sided tape, and then stick it on, heat it up, and then we're done. Just have to repeat that on all 4 windows, and nice easy install. So let's go. Window visor is mounted. I haven't done the tape yet, but the weather stripping to put back on was kind of a hassle. You got to make sure that it seats correctly all the way through, otherwise you're going to get water in your car despite having these window visors. But after some kind of wiggling around, redoing it, pulling it out, redoing it again, I think that's pretty good. So now we'll just have to repeat this at the other 3 windows and we're all done. Just like that, this side is done. Just got to remove the backing on the double-sided tape, and it's all will be all done. The back was significantly easier to get the weather stripping in. I don't know, I think it's a different design, but either way, we'll go ahead, remove the backing, and then make sure they're secure and finish up the other side. Curbside tip here for the double-sided tape: before you go and mount the brackets on and put the weather stripping back, it's good to peel the backing off just a little bit, so when they are on, you have something you can pull on. All you have to do is just pull it back and then stick it on. Just get that little tabby left. It should be nice and easy to Oh, there it goes. Pull the backing off. And when you're doing this, make sure you have the visors exactly where they should be, because once it's down, there's really no going back. Just push it down. And you're done. Look at that. Super secure. Super, super secure. Ooh, oddly satisfying. There you go. Window visors installed on the Evo. Perfect fitment. Yeah, love the way these look. And they're actually kind of functional in the rain. Yeah, let's wrap up the other side now. Done with the install now. Give you a quick walk around of the car to show you what it looks like. I really like it. I've always liked the look of window visors. Functional, extra JDM points. It's good all around. So give you a quick walk around. Here you go. Here's the driver's side. All done. The fitment is perfect. And look, even on the OEM ones, you get that little Mitsubishi Motors, little subtle OEM flex. And clean that up. Walk around to the passenger side and take another look. Super easy install. Got this done in about 20 minutes. Once you do one side, the other side is like way faster. You got it done in like, I think I got this done on the driver's side like 10 minutes. So yeah, super easy install, pretty affordable. Nice little aesthetic mod. It's also functional, so you can kind of crack your windows on a rainy day and you'll still get some airflow into the cabin. But yeah, if you liked the video, let us know. Hit the like button. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions on the install. I'm super happy to help out. And other than that, thanks for hanging out. Be safe out there, wash your hands, and stay at home. Peace.